Hey silly pies, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time stopping by, don't forget to smash the subscribe button. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to pluck your lace frontals, stroke wigs, stroke anything that has to do with plucking. In this video I'm featuring a company called HJWEAVEBEAUTY, and they sent me this gorgeous looking hair. When it came, yo guys, I wasn't feeling this hair when it got to me, but I ended up brushing out the curls and wetting the hair, and it just looks so gorgeous. Absolutely, this is what it looks like when I've not plucked it, and I'm going to be showing you guys the 3 steps to pluck your frontal. Part 1. Okay, now the first thing you want to do is you want to part your hair into 2 sides, and then you want to go in and make sure you're not plucking the same spot more than twice. This is so important because you really don't want to bald your frontal. You do not. I passed through this thing before and it was painful. Anyways, you want to go forward and backwards and continue, and you want to make sure you're actually dividing your hair into like smaller sections so that you can see where you're plucking, and you want to do this continuously through the hair. And you just need to make sure you're covering every part of the hair just in front, not going beyond the frontal section. This is actually a full lace wig. It's not a 360 lace frontal, in case you're wondering, but they do have 360 lace frontals on their website as well, just in case you want to get any of those as well. But yeah, I'm pretty much picking or plucking, whatever you can call it. I'm plucking continuously, following the same process I was explaining to you guys before. And after doing this, you want to brush everything out. And part 2. Okay, so this part is really vital, because if you mess this part up, you'll fuck up the wig. Anyways, I'm just holding the frontal up, and then you can see, like, when you pull on the front, you can actually see properly what you're doing. So that helps, especially with the front, because you really don't want to bald the front, and you just want to like brush your hair after doing that. And as you can see, that's the difference between the part I've plucked and the part I've not plucked. It's actually quite a lot of difference, to be honest, but yeah, that's pretty much what I do. But you don't have to be too fast because we've not reached part 3 yet. Okay, now it's time for part 3. Okay, now this is the most vital part, because you need to literally look through, like you literally use a microscope to look at this hair and make sure you're picking out all the black knots. If you don't want to pass through this stress, you just need to bleach your frontal. And I don't know, I don't really bleach my frontals because I always end up using like foundation and stuff to blur out all the black knots and everything. But you need to do this if you don't want to pick out the black knots. Okay, so after doing this, you actually want to just brush the hair just to make sure you're seeing everything that's going on and make sure you're satisfied. You also want to do some more proofreading. You need to look through every section, pluck some more, make sure you're not balding your frontal, guys. Like, it's going to be very annoying. Anyways, did I mention the length of this hair? This hair is actually 22 inches, and this is I think this was actually a deep wave hair, but when I brushed it out, it ended up looking even more pretty than it did before. Anyways, this is so gorgeous. This is what it looks like. Thank you so much, HJWEAVEBEAUTY, for this hair. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.